Hello, this is Joey. Today I'm going to show you the LED emergency light another function, waterproof. The waterproof grade of this product is divided into two kinds, IP54 and IP65. Only IP65 has the waterproof function. Come on, let's show you. We put the emergency light in the emergency state and put it under the tape to check if it would work properly in the presence of the water. Now that you see the emergency light working normally in the emergency situation, we now turn on the water and move the emergency light. See the emergency light working normally, so there is no problem with this emergency light being used outdoors. Some customers are not sure if the IP65 is really waterproof. In this video, we verify the waterproof function of emergency light. If you want to know more about product information, welcome to contact us.